Still using manual ways of email management? Here in this video, we will be reviewing two email service providers for small business. We have Titan Mail and Google Workspace. So let's start with Titan Mail. With Titan Mail, your work communication becomes an efficient and automated system of communication. The service offers you professional email addresses, a modern interface, scheduling assistance, AI email suggestion service, task management, and team collaboration features. The paid plan starts from about 1.50 to 2.50 per user monthly for professional plans, going up to approximately $4.50 per user monthly for advanced features including unlimited templates, bigger mailbox capacity, and extra tools. Titan Email has scalable storage that varies from 5 gigabytes to 50 gigabytes and even more based on different pricing plans. Titan Email shines with an all-in-one productivity tool offering you task management, scheduling, and email automation right from the inbox. The service is available on iOS, Android, Windows, and macOS. Its mobile app has rating above 4.5 on both platforms. This is ideal for small businesses looking for efficiency and ease of use. On the other hand, we have Google Workspace. Google Workspace offers complete business communication and productivity apps with a modern approach to collaboration. You'll have access to professional Gmail, Google Drive storage space, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Meet, Google Calendar, and Google Chat, all integrated. It is entirely free for individual usage, but its subscription-based packages are starting from $7 per user per month annually for Business Starter Plan with 30 gigabytes, $14 per user monthly for Business Standard Plan with 2 terabytes, and $22 per user monthly for Business Plan with 5 terabytes and security. The advantages of Google Workspace lie in its ecosystem integration and collaboration capabilities. You can share files, work simultaneously on editing documents, conduct video calls, and manage your tasks with Google Task and Google Keep tools. The app is available for all devices including iOS, Android, Windows, and macOS. Additionally, Google Workspace is equipped with enterprise-grade security, 99.9% uptime SLA, and wide adoption among businesses and organizations. So, which is better? Titan Email is awesome for startups and individual users because of its cost-effectiveness, user-friendly interface, and tasks integrations along with email-related AI features, but it doesn't have the same storage space like Google does. It's also less collaborative than Google Workspace. Speaking of Google Workspace, the tool offers a robust set of functions for collaboration, storage, conferencing, editing, and customization, and is therefore a great fit for growing companies. However, it's more expensive and may be too complicated for startups and individual users. If you prefer cost effectiveness and simplicity, go with Titan Email. If you're looking for a full-fledged solutions for teams or enterprises, go with Google Workspace. Try both and decide for yourself. Let us know what you like more in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe.